dirty road, so he's probably taking care of the car, which is odd for this driver. So anyway, we'll see you in a bit. What's up, YouTube? We're out here riding around the 2019 SS Camaro today. I put about 100 miles on it earlier. Now I hired myself a professional driver because I don't have no suction cup mounts for the GoPro yet. It's a good solid surface. We can put one right here. But anyway, so we're just cruising around the Cherohala Skyway over here in the beautiful Tennessee area on our way to the Dragon. Not going to run the Dragon today, but I think that's the shortest way home. So if we do hit the Dragon, we'll crawl. So we got 265 miles on the car. We're just out here trying to put some miles on it to break it in, so we can start abusing it, modding it, and getting it ready to go. So whenever the driver shows you some curves, we'll turn the camera back on here in a minute. And I think he's being a respected 56 miles an hour for some reason. Road's dirty, lots of road salt on it, and beautiful day up here on the Cherohala Skyway. What I've noticed about this Camaro on the passenger seat, there's no grab handles, there's no good place to put your feet. So Chevrolet, you let me down on the passenger side. Driver's side's perfect. Guess that's what matters, right? You know, we had to run a comfortable 45. We're here in America, speed limit's 45 on this back road, so we're trying our best to obey the speed limit. Just thought we'd show you guys some of the views. Salt, whatever it is. Dude. Nasty. Poor old car's got 280 miles on it. Slinging rocks all over. This road does not get a whole lot of traffic in the winter time. Keep all the rocks pushed off the road. Hope you guys can hear that noise. If we open it just a tad. Don't do that. I think we might be on top now. North Carolina state line. Welcome to North Carolina. You liking those paddle shifters?
They're okay.
Road's wet. We just covered these tires, don't like water. Damn, grabbed a gear there, didn't it? What gear was that?
I don't know, fourth.
Fourth? It chirped him in fourth? jake brake on. The heads-up display.
Oh.
What'd you run off the road for?
Look at my gauges.
It's a heads-up display right in front. See that little graph comes across the top? Let's see if I can show them. Can y'all guys see that heads-up? Is this proper braking procedures?
Something.
Only running 4,000. Well, you're not supposed to exceed 5, 6, I don't know, 7. It's probably not good on the gas mileage. That thing up higher if you can't see it.
Well, with the sun, pours it out.
Oh yeah? Then there's a brightness adjustment too. It's almost too bright for me. It's probably not going to be a very good video. I don't have a solid mount. That's a bit long. You guys see that view? Going in the back side of Cherohala Skyway. I hope I say that right. I've hit this road a lot on the bike, very rarely in the car.